Soon, Joe receives a message containing his new company email address and notifying him that his core IT services are ready for use. His son has now gone off to school, so Joe has some time to take some breakfast. In his kitchen, he uses his tablet to browse the news and then decides to access his company email. He does this using the email application on his tablet, merely entering his company email address to get started. There are a couple of welcome emails that inform Joe of how he can now use his new company email address to also connect with colleagues in real time, using multiple mediums of instant messaging, voice, and video. All he requires is access to a company-approved client, which he downloads from the application store on his tablet. Using the client, he instantly connects with some of his new team and introduces himself using one click to raise the level of communication from an instant message to audio to multi-party video conferencing. He also searches for people outside his immediate team who have expertise in the area that Joe is focusing on, and is also directed to multiple company knowledge bases. Joe has read and write access to these, so he can immediately leverage the intellectual capital of the organization and contribute his own expertise. Joe has to walk the dog, but wants to continue a communication he is engaging in using audio over his tablet device. With one click from his tablet, his smartphone rings and he continues the conversation on the move. In the park, he lets his dog loose and accesses his email from his smartphone, again using the inbuilt mail application and his email address to get started. That evening, Joe uses the corporate persona on his personal laptop and starts to author a document that he must deliver the next evening to his new manager. He is progressing nicely before his son demands to use the laptop, so Joe saves his work and relaxes for the rest of the evening. Before retiring to bed, he reviews the document on his tablet and is happy that he will be able to complete it the next day.